So we went and saw a customer who had 3 vehicles. He didn't want full details on them, he just wanted them cleaned up and shining. So we gave him 3 express washes. That was what the customer wanted, so that's what we delivered. So here we have a Chevy Silverado dump body that's been abused all winter long. So we're going to give this thing a good cleaning. The customer didn't want it perfect to bring back some of that shine and get some of the dirt off. Dirt was just absolutely everywhere. The interior wasn't bad, but it had its own issues, and of course the floorboards were also covered in salt. So it took a good half hour, 45 minutes to just rinse this thing of all of the major grime. We had to bring the body up so that we could get underneath and clean it really good. And of course, in typical Chevy style, carpeted wheel well liners, which are just mud magnets. We took the soft tip brush to majority of the utility body. We foamed the whole body with Chemical Guy's washing gloss because I like how that soap performs, and that's just my preference. I cleaned these mud flaps 3 times, and they still weren't perfect. Always put soap in your wheel bucket. It tends to clean the tire better that way. Oh look, I'm cleaning mud flaps again. So that's a microfiber pole mop. It's the same as the other microfiber wash mitts. That MTM SGS 35 spray gun is awesome. So here we use the new Hybrid Solutions ceramic wet wax. So we just apply it while the vehicle's wet, and we give it a quick rinse to kind of spread it around, and then we dry it. Here you can see we're using our Clean Garage drying towel. Gotta pressure wash these floor mats too. They were covered in grime. We gave him a good scrub down too. Now we're dressing the entire interior with Meguiar's Hyper Dressing. They didn't want the interior scrubbed, they just wanted it wiped down, so we just wipe it all down with hyper dressing. Now we have a 2020 Denali that's been ceramic coated previously. You can see the water beading and sheeting off the paint. So this is a mixture of Chemical Guys washing gloss and some of the ceramic soap from Hybrid Solutions. The Hybrid Solutions soap doesn't foam over very well, but it has a ton of slickness. So the driver's side door had some light scratches in it. And the customer was ultimately happy with the results, but the scratches were in there pretty deep.